Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you some tricks to protecting your hair at nighttime, what to use. Hey what's up, it's Glamorousmorana channel. If you're new here to my channel, don't forget, before you even watch this video, don't forget to click that subscribe button, okay? And don't forget to also follow me on Instagram. It's Glamorousmorana 2 on Instagram. So today I'm going to be talking about how to protect your hair during night time, okay? Because sleeping on a pillow is not going to promote your hair growth, not at all. Especially cotton pillows, they're not going to promote your hair to grow. Your hair is going to be eaten up, you know. I have to learn that because I used to sleep with my hair all over the place, and I would wake up in the morning and my hair would be dry, and I would notice that my hair won't grow. So I have to think, I have to think like, Morana, what can I do to help my hair, to protect my hair before I go to sleep? Ting, ding, 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 ding. I use a satin, what am I calling it? A satin hair wrap to protect my hair from getting dry, okay? There's other type of ways you can also protect your hair, doing a banana wrap here, and that you can use any type of thing. You can use what do you call it? What you call a scarf, okay? If you have a scarf, you can use that to tie it in your hair to protect your hair. Do not sleep with your hair out like that, because your hair is not protected, not at all. Something funny, I also, when I can't find a scarf or a satin hair wrap, I use a t-shirt. I use a t-shirt. It can be a big t-shirt or a little small t-shirt. I make it turn into a scarf in my hair to protect my hair, okay? I don't know if that's ghetto or what, but if I cannot find it, that what I use. That what I use to protect my hair. So yeah, these are the basic thing you can use to protect your hair at nighttime. And I think I watched a video where they say they have like a pillow. I don't know what they call the pillow. I don't know if it's a pillow or a pillowcase. I think it's a satin pillowcase that they have right now, that you can put on your pillow, or I don't know if it's a pillow or not, that you can sleep with to protect your hair from damage, from breakage, from dryness, from all kind of stuff. So yeah, so I hope these like tips help you know what to do, what to use, So thank you so much for watching Glamorousmorana channel. Don't forget to click that subscribe button. And don't forget to also follow me on Instagram, Glamorousmorana 2. So bye.